If you don't know who I am, my name's Ragsy and I was on a certain show on the BBC. And just because I'm from out there, quite much. So, when you go on these shows, my second audition, I ended up having to sing in front of a vocal coach called Maureen. And I don't do many covers, but I did this cover of a Kings of Leon song, and I sang it in front of this vocal coach called Maureen. And when I looked up at the end of it, she was crying. I thought, bugger, I'm going home with her. There were tears of joy, so I gave her a coach because she was English and she'd never experienced a coach yet. So she was there. So this is the Kings of Leon song. We put up like roaming around, I'm looking down at all I see. Painted faces fill space I can't read. Well, I could use somebody. Well, I could use someone like you. Now you know how you speak. Countless lovers under the curves of the street. Well, I could use somebody. Well, I could use somebody. Someone like you. Something there, sir. Never knew her name. I only knew her fame. Something like that. She lived near my town. Go fast to drown. Well, I just passed the bridge. The parts has found him. The bridge that she second daughter threw herself to dirty water. Betty's left with nothing but a dream. Betty Davis' second daughter threw herself to dirty water. Now Betty's left with nothing but a I got it. Hey. Come on. It's all right. I vaguely remember it. Good job. So I'm gonna do one more. And this is going to be one of my songs. Yeah. Okay. So my single came out on St. David's Day, and despite my accent, I'm not a Welsh speaker, but I am dysgu siarad Cymraeg. I'm on an 8-week intensive Welsh course with Prifysgol Caerdydd. I'm into my 3rd week at the moment, and dwi'n dysgu siarad Cymraeg. I'm determined, so and I've got to do this because we're going out live and all that. If anybody wants to check out any courses, it's learnwelsh.cymru. Alright? Diolch yn fawr iawn. So this is my ambition last year was to release a song in Welsh and to be in a room with 84 blokes. Singing. So, the single features Come Back, male voice choir, and Wesley usually takes me 6 takes in the studio to nail a song. This bugger took about 4 days, but we got it right. So, and thanks to the help of Tom Moore, who everybody knows at Parker Scarlett, who's a very close friend of mine, and Terwyn Davis, who's co-presenter with him. So this is a song called The Havanni, and I'm really sorry for you guys, but if you get covered in spit,
I'm gonna die.
I am nailing a Welsh sandwich. The more saturated you are, the more fluent I am. Dwi'n crwydro glad mewn hadau, balchder a fan hain, chwilio am fy haban, y gartre lawer gwain. P'un yn cysgu dan y ser heno, neu'n certhyd gyda chi, o hyd camned o'r tir maen, nes bod long i'n ei li, dyma fy gartre. Hwyl fy haban. Dwi'n hapus iawn fy ni. Dyma lle mae'n hala ni, a dwi am ddod ma o hyd. Cyfo mod i'n crwydro lawer gwaith, ac yn diolch yn fod yn rhydd. Am y fadda i am beth y gofyn ola yn rhywbeth i. Dyma fy gartre. Anybody wants to play an album, they're going to get a £6 and double up as a 4-string.
I did.